Above, beyond, always. Those words capture the heart of what MORryde tries to do every day when dealing with our customers. At our core, we just want to treat people the way that we'd like to be treated. No one department at MORryde captures this effort more than our service department, where we meet RVers from all over the country. As we help them with upgrades to their RV, we also hear some of their stories. We thought we'd let you meet some of these people and hear their stories as well. It's part of what makes the RV lifestyle unique and attractive to so many people.
My name is Don Allen. My wife's name is Jan. We got into RVing late in life. We first of all went tent camping on our honeymoon and really enjoyed that. But as the boys came along and everything, and they got involved in other things, we did not do a lot of camping, throughout their growing up, because they were involved in music and other things. So we decided that once they were gone, that it was our turn to enjoy life, and so that's when we got back into camping. Yeah, we have a Heartland Bighorn 3760 EL. We love it. It's approximately 40 foot and 6 inches long, and it has lots of room in it when the slides are out.
Don wants to go to the mountains out west, but I'm a little leery of the steep hills and turns without disc brakes and a good suspension, so we were delighted to have this opportunity to upgrade.
We looked at the brakes only for a while and decided if we're going to do it, we might as well upgrade to the independent suspension as well, so that I wouldn't have to worry about springs or shackles or that type of thing breaking.
Yes, we heard of MORryde through the rallies, and enjoy that the various vendors can come to the rallies and explain thoroughly their products.
And of course, we wanted the MORryde pin hitch when we bought our RV, because we had heard a lot about that. We had done about 2 years of research prior to buying our RV, and so we knew quite a bit going in, but not everything, obviously. And the other thing we enjoy is the MORryde cargo slide that's in our basement. I can reach all of my items that's in the basement much easier, and it really does help keep things organized by having the cargo and being able to open it from either side. We went on a tour seeing the plant here, and it was amazing about all the different types of metal things that MORryde makes that we never knew about. And so that was pretty interesting to see it actually manufactured, to see our actual IS system manufactured in front of our eyes and then installed during the process. It was quite illuminating, and got good pictures of it, and so we're real glad that it happened.